What you doing, Blake?
I'm pre-ordering the iPhone 13. I'm like super excited.
How about you don't waste your money on that?
Is it that bad? Welcome back, tech heads.
Kevin and Blake here.
Okay, Kev, so you're telling me the iPhone 13 is not worth an upgrade?
Maybe let me tell you about it first, then you can decide. The iPhone 13 was announced with 4 models. We got the iPhone 13, the iPhone 13 mini, the iPhone 13 Pro, and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Pretty much the same idea as what we got last year with all the 12 models.
Okay, but they come in like 5 new colors. You know, we got red, we got blue, we got pink, we got midnight, we got starlight.
You do know midnight and starlight are just black and silver, right?
Yeah, but you know Apple, like, they gotta be fancy.
Design-wise, not much has changed. The notch, or as I like to call it, the receding hairline, is here to stay for another year, while other phones have made their way away from it as best they can.
Okay, but it's 20% smaller, Kev. 20%.
Okay, yes, but they didn't even do anything with the extra added space. So what's the point?
Okay, yeah, true, but the cameras are now diagonal. Okay, yeah, that does sound a lot more stupid out loud than in my head.
The battery has been improved, however. With a bigger battery, you can expect long-lasting, all-day charge.
So that's one win at least.
Another small change is slightly brighter displays, even though most of us crank the brightness way down to 0 anyways. So, big whoop. But a massive win is finally getting 128 gigabytes of base storage instead of 64 gigabytes. That fills up pretty quickly in about a month of selfies. They've also added a 1 terabyte option, which is 1,000 gigabytes for the Pro versions of the phone.
Dang, that is a lot. So many selfies. But wait, did we get an always on display? You know, like the leak said?
No, but we did get a 120 hertz display.
Hertz? That sounds painful.
Not hertz. Hertz. Pretty much this means the scrolling experience on the phone is going to be a lot more fluid and buttery smooth. Okay, not literally. Put the butter away. The biggest focus of the event was the iPhone's cameras.
All right, so that I don't really care about. I mean, it's hard to find a bad camera in a smartphone these days. Like, at this point, who cares?
Yeah, that's true, but this new feature is pretty cool. They've added a blurry background option for video. But if something goes wrong, you're able to go back into the recording after and readjust the blur to fit what you were wanting to achieve.
Okay, yeah, so that does sound pretty cool, but honestly, this doesn't sound much different from the iPhone 11 or the iPhone 12.
Nope.
Do we get USB-C at least in the bottom?
Nope.
All right, well, I'm gonna go cancel my pre-order, but you guys check out this tech-tastic video right here.